There was a time not long ago, when WordPress SEO meant using a shiny new SEO plugin, or implementing a clever WordPress SEO tactic, or strategy. A time when we were told that it was all about, on-page, SEO. This however, was only part of the truth. And, in the next few minutes, I am about to open your eyes to help you understand, that WordPress SEO, is so much more, and yet, as from today, it's also become so, much easier. You're about to discover the magic of WordPress Alpha. WordPress Alpha is a 3-click WordPress deployment software that allows you to simply add your domain name, and, with 3 clicks, it will deploy a fully configured WordPress site. A website with multiple SEO plugin configurations, already done for you. With GDPR compliance, and, with site speed already optimized to 1 second load time. And with a choice of pre-configured themes to choose from. Or, simply choose to add your own, and start adding content to your site. However, you don't have to take just my word at face value. We can all agree that seeing is believing. So, go now, and check out our short 5-minute demo video, and see WordPress Alpha, in action for yourself. It's like having your very own in-house WordPress SEO expert, who is available, on demand, at any time of day, no matter where in the world you are. To deploy, and perfectly configure new websites for you in minutes. Saving you hours of time and frustration. A WordPress expert who uses the best combination of WordPress plugins. Who adds the optimal SEO configurations for your website. Who is implementing the top SEO expert tips that you always wanted to know, but never had time to learn. Who also knows what call to action and marketing conversion elements to add, all rolled into one. Why not take it for a test drive today, with a 14-day trial? You've got nothing to lose, and everything to gain, by having a fully configured and optimized WordPress installation, in just 3 clicks of the mouse, at any time that you may need it. Which is even better than Dorothy's 3 clicks of the heels, as there are no shoes getting scratched, while making the magic happen.